Really, Honda? Really? I have to make a video talking about this? This is what you gave me for the 50th anniversary of the Goldwing? Let's just roll the intro and talk about it. What's up, y'all? First things first. Hey, go to Mile Monsters Inc. Support the monsters, support the heroes. You can go to the Goat's Coffee. I just ordered some hot chocolate from the Goat. So I'm excited about that coming in. The wife and kids want that. They'll be happy about that. So go check that out. Go check them out. See what Gavs is doing. Give those guys a hand. Second of all, Rollin Throttle. Mobbing on the Mountains coming up in June. I'll try to post a picture, linky thingy. Go check them out. If anybody that knows how to have a good old-fashioned biker time, it's Crystal and Drew. So go check out them and go check out Mobbing on the Mountain. Now, it's just bright enough out here for me to put my sunglasses on, whatever. I know everybody gets like, why are you wearing sunglasses all the time? You're inside, I love it. Because I have dark circles under my eyes. I'm a shift worker. I've said it before, but I don't give a shit. Now, look, Honda, I've supported you guys. I love my Goldwing. I don't even care that I've got a recall. None of that even matters to me. I have literally supported the shit out of Honda because I think Honda makes great bikes. I think Honda has great reliability. I think Honda is amazing. I love my Goldwing. But you gave me jack shit for the 50th anniversary of the Goldwing. All these influencers and all these people on the forums and everybody was so excited talking about, dude, Ben from Mike's Beards and Brews, who never says anything good about any motorcycles. He owns a Harley and he runs Harley down more than anybody. He loves to bash the living shit out of Indian when they don't live up to what they said they were going to do. He made a really good, nice video about Goldwing and about Honda. He'll tell you, man, I love Honda. Honda's badass. I just think some of their shit's quiet. And he, again, Ben looks at everything about a bike and just tears it the fuck down until he gets to the parts that he likes, which is fine. He made a really good video about an EV Goldwing and the possibility of maybe the 50th anniversary is going to be something cool. And I was like, dude, that's awesome. When you get Ben excited and being nice about something, you better capitalize on that shit, okay? So I see the Goldwings came out and everybody on the forums is talking about it. And Cruise Man put out his video. And I start watching the videos and I start looking through the site. And you know what I found? Jack shit. So here's what they did. They got some paint. They put some 50th anniversary badges on them bitches. That's it. People were so excited saying there's going to be a 2000cc motor. There's going to be a fairing redesign. They're going to make all these changes. I literally saw where you can add wind deflectors and they have a different seat that people are excited about on the forums. Some of the guys on the forums were super excited and I was like, about fucking what? I think what are they called? Ardent Red or the new red color is really cool. Of course, I think the flat black color on the base model Goldwing, the non-tour Goldwing, looks good. I like that flat black with the little red pinstripe and shit. And they came out with I think it's that gold color, Eternal Gold. Okay, the root beer paneling looks kind of cool on that Eternal Gold. So I will admit that Eternal Gold is so ugly that I think it's cool because I'm the kind of person that thinks that like an ugly ass paint color or an ugly ass motorcycle is cool. I don't think the Goldwing's a pretty bike. So that's why one of the reasons I love mine. It's kind of ugly. I like that ugly duckling look that takes off. It's the same motor, the same DCT, the same everything. It's just the fucking same. They called Harley and said, hey, Harley, we know in the past you guys have kind of mailed it in on a few different releases during the years. Hey, what's something we could do that would piss Goldwing people off and would fucking get everybody excited? And Harley said, say no more, fam. Let me tell you what to do. Paint, some badging, call it good. And that's what Honda did. Hell, even I can't talk shit about the 2025 Harley-Davidson lineup because they brought back the Ultra Classic and they changed the lower fairings, the wind deflect. They made changes. Harley did some things this year that you're like, okay, they made a few changes. They brought some different paint, which seems to be their thing to do. And apparently Honda said, we're going to go with Harley and just make some paint options. We're going to do some badging. I just sat there going, are you serious? Honda, you had a chance to knock this out of the park. When you go look at the bikes, there's no fairing redesign. They're the same. Don't get me wrong. When they made the change in 2018 and had the new Goldwings, I thought they were awesome. Hell, I thought they were so awesome. I bought a non-DCT Goldwing, a non-tour, and I love it. It's a great bike. I'm waiting to get my parts in for my recall. Still love the bike. I think it's a great bike. I think Goldwings are amazing, but you've touted them as the ultimate touring bike. You've touted them as the bike to buy, and everybody got excited. 50th anniversary, this is gonna be something, guys. It's gonna be great. They didn't do shit. Badging and paint. I think they cost $500 more. There's a little price comparison thingy. I'm gonna put up a little deal. But anyway, there's really hardly no new changes. Badging and paint. You had every option. Dude, you could have got a 2000cc motor and kept it as a 6-cylinder motor, and people would have been excited as shit and would have been selling their old Goldwings and buying new ones. You could have done anything. You could, literally just about anything you could have done, and guess what? You didn't. I'm sorry. I'm gonna save you guys some watch a bunch of other people's videos. Here's what Honda did for the Goldwing. Jack shit. Paint and badging. There you are. Honda, man, look, I love the Goldwing. I love the platform. I always have, I always will. I'm not getting rid of mine. I may have another bike in the garage, but the Whisper Wagon stays. But I'm gonna tell you right now, you had an opportunity to knock it out of the park. You dropped the ball, Honda. Hey, y'all do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell icon so you get notifications when the shit show gets rolling again. Look, I took a ride yesterday, did like 250 miles. I filmed, maybe I'll throw a little bit of that in here. Was in the woods, had a good time. It was a great day. Took my camera, held it up, didn't motovlog. Wanted to ride for myself. Was a great ride. Enjoyed it, rode with a buddy of mine. It was just nice having a 78-degree day in Texas. Yeah, there's people up north who are like, F you, buddy, that they're dealing with like 10 degrees. So sorry guys. Anyway, again, Honda, I think you had every opportunity to do something great. You screwed it up. You should have done something better than paint and badging for this 50th anniversary. I just literally don't even have the words. So anyway, let me know what you think, what Honda could have done better, because there's so much talk and so much excitement about this, and they just dropped the ball. Even if they would have done some kind of a fairing redesign or bumped the motor up a little bit or made a few more options, people would be really excited. Diehard Goldwing people in the forums are super excited. I'm a diehard Goldwing guy, and believe me, I'm not excited. Indian did different things. They bumped up their motor. They put the motor that they put in the Pursuit and the Challenger and other bikes. They did some shit, whether you like it or not. Harley's done some things. Honda just said, we're mailing this shit in. Ridiculous. But anyway, hey, I guess we'll see what you guys think, but you know where I think. I think Honda dropped the ball, and I think they should have done a way better fucking job with this. Anyway, I want you guys to have a great day. Let's try not to be assholes to each other, and I'll see y'all next time.
Foundation is sound. I still do the shit for my people, for Roberto, for Justin, for Jared, for Nico, Big Smitty, Big O, say stay